Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you with a tutorial. I will be doing it on my hair as well as Lizzie's hair, so you can see the same hairstyle done on short 4B hair and done on 3B, 3C long hair. So we're going to be doing this one for me. There will be a link where you can click it and it will take you over to Lizzie's video if you want to see it the same style done differently. So of course I'm starting with freshly washed, deep conditioned, blow dried hair. We all know those steps. If you want me to show you my blow drying process, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely post a video. And now I'm just sectioning off the front from the back. I parted down the middle first just so I can see a little better is what I'm doing when I'm trying to pull pieces forward, because you want to make sure that horseshoe part that you have going over your from ear to ear is even. I like it to be just kind of behind the pointy part of my ear, not all the way behind my ear, but not in front of my ear either. So I just section that off and pin that up, and then I start on the back because I'm going to be putting in rollers. And the reason I blow dried is because for this style I want my roots to be loose, and I want the curl to be a little bit more smooth, and I am not an expert with rollers, so if I try to do it with rollers on super wet hair, my roots will probably be crinkly and tight. It may be, the curl itself might be all crinkly, so it's just easier for me to blow dry it, and then I use this foam to kind of just wet it a little bit and roll it, and that helps give the curl a little bit more form and smoothness to it. I blow dried my hair, my entire head, on cool. So my blow dryer has low and it has an option for cool, or very, very low heat, like almost no heat at all. So that's what I use, so it was great. So now I'm just putting in these rollers, and the thing with these rollers, they are the ones that have that little string and the cap at the end. The way you want to get it really tight to your scalp is you want to make sure that that little band that you're pulling to put the cap on the top is against your, against the hair that's at your scalp. If you're folding it anywhere else, it's going to be loose. So you want to see how I rub it and make sure that it's against the scalp when I put that cap on. That's how you want to do. So I just do the back of my hair, and I'm just going to let that sit while I do the front. Then you want to kind of separate. It depends on how thick you want it. I only did maybe about a ½ inch, maybe a ¼ inch. No, it's probably about a ½ inch, I think, maybe. A little horseshoe section across the top, because that's where the band is going to be. On me, I am doing a flat twist band because it is very hard to corn roll your own hair from ear to ear. If you have someone that can corn roll that for you, that's great. If not, then flat twist works just as beautifully. Then I just kind of put little clips on these to give it weight to kind of hold it back, because when you start braiding the front, it can get a little, messy, and you might pull some in, so I just separate that. And I'm going to do a part. You can do your part whichever side you want, or if you have a cute size forehead, you can part it down the middle. I have a very big forehead, I feel like, so I don't like to part my hair down the middle, so I do like this little slant. Then I kind of just put smooth my edges. I don't gel them down. You can gel them down if you want. I just use a little bit of main choice gel. It's not anything hard. It's just to give it some slickness to it. And then you can put some edge controller on if you want, or you can gel it down. I know some people like to lay their edges. I really don't. I'm not into laying my edges, so I don't, but I know it will look really cute with that. So then you just start the corn rolling process, and you kind of want to go along the edge of your forehead, but go back slightly as you're going over your forehead, but you don't want to go like in a straight back because you kind of want that angle, and kind of as it angles down, and it kind of just swoops around to the back. So don't corn roll it going straight back. You do want it at more of a, I don't know, was that a 45-degree angle? You just braid it to the ends, put some moisturizer on the ends, and braid it down. I go into 2-strand twists and then just twist it down to the end. And you do the same thing on the other side, completely the same. Braid it down to the end. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the flat twist. The 2 front braids that you just did, I didn't put it in here, but you kind of just want to pull those back and pin them where your hair is with the rollers. You want to bobby pin them, and then you're going to do your flat twist, and you're going to go over top them because you're creating a headband look with the flat twist or the braid, depending on which one that you go with. And if your hair is a little bit longer, you can do your flat twist a little bit looser so that it sits up higher. My hair is not that long, so I had to do mine a little bit tighter, but I still left it as loose as possible without compromising the look. But if it was longer, I definitely would have made it looser so that the band could have sat higher. Then you just twist down to the end, and then you bobby pin that down. And then I'm just going to put some foam setting lotion on top of it. You can use more than that. I probably should have used a little bit more than what I did, but you can use how much you want. And then just put a satin headscarf on to hold it down, and then you want to let this sit for a little while. I let mine sit for about another hour and a half, I think, maybe, while I got ready, and then I also did Lizzie's hair. And then you come back, and one thing about having blow dried is that it's set, it's set super quick. So now I just take the rollers out, and then I'm going to separate it with my fingers. I'm not going to rake through the hair. I'm just going to go in with my finger and separate each of those curls into probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 pieces. I wasn't counting, just really setting, trying to fill it out and separate it without messing up the curls. And then just fluff your roots out with a pick, and you're set to go, guys. There you go. It's a really beautiful style. I was really, really happy with it. I got lots of compliments on it that day, me and Lizzie both. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified each time we post a video, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.